Alright, out in the yard, got all the decorations off the old Jetstar 3. I mean, it is 2nd of February. About time to put away Christmas decorations, isn't it? Anyway, we're gonna see if we can get her started up. See how much wet I get on my butt. Of course not. And of course the I wonder where are they? Up in there somewhere. I don't know if you can hear them or not. Sandy Hill cranes, a whole bunch of them. Ross, come get your birds. That's a joke if you watch Rossi Oliver, man. Anyway, set you right there for a second. Probably could have got it from the seat if that would have been hooked up. Oh well. Let's see if we can. R for race. She's a bit obnoxious without the pipe on it. Alright. Come back there towards the mini Jeep. We'll just park it there in front of the garage for now. Anyway, I'll be back when I get there. I don't know if you noticed that or not. I didn't even move it a notch. And now she's starting to speed up. One of the things we got to do is definitely some governor work. I also noticed we're not showing any charge down here. She does have good oil pressure though. Anyway, I didn't want to park her here for now. Can't leave it there, but just for fun, kick some blocks in front of the back tires. Gonna try and get it in the garage tonight yet, because I don't want to have to put caps and stuff back on to cover all that up, but I will if I have to. So anyway, I'll show you why I can't. Well, you've seen the inside the garage. You know why I can't put it in there yet. Need some more warmer weather. Got Easter Christmas tree fire thing to do. Anyway, so goal is to get her backed in over here where all this stuff's at. To do that, I got to clear out, clean up, whatever. To do all that, I've got some scrap metal. Remodel project at work. They're doing a lot of wiring and stuff, so there's wire, there's the aluminum from the EMT. I got some low rec. I just got 3 boxes of stuff here, and then there's a little bit more over there underneath the battery charger that I need to get sorted through so I can get to the scrap yard maybe tomorrow after work. I don't know, we'll see how it goes. Anyway, I'll be back.